Have you ever dreamed of launching your own skincare brand, one that's clean, conscious, and built with nature's finest ingredients? In a world flooded with harsh chemicals and synthetic formulas, people today are craving something. Welcome to the revolution of natural and organic skincare, where beauty meets wellness and business meets sustainability. And in this video, we'll show you exactly how to build your own skincare startup from the ground up. We'll walk you through every critical step. Target audience identification, market, research and analysis, marketing and sales strategy, financial planning, costing and profitability, funding and investment options, company, incorporation and legal compliance, supporting documents, checklist, expert support by Market Research Universe. By the end of this video, you won't just have a dream, you'll have a blueprint. Stick around with us as Market Research Universe, MRU, will explain it all for you. This video is part of MRU Navigator for Business Planning. MRU Navigator for Business Planning is a go-to-market platform designed for startup business planning, real-time market trends, forecasts, competitor insights, business niche identification, and opportunity tracking. Through this platform, you'll get free business plan templates across various sectors, real-time market trend tracking, market size and potential analysis, and insights into trending business niches and opportunities. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for a free account today. Understanding your target audience. The natural skincare market speaks to health-conscious women between 20 and 45, millennials and Gen Z who prefer cruelty-free and eco-friendly products, urban men looking for simple skincare routines, parents who want chemical-free baby care, and even older adults looking for gentle anti-aging solutions. When you know your audience, you can design formulas and campaigns that speak directly to them. Now, market research and analysis. The global natural skincare market was valued at over $50.6 billion in 2024 and continues to grow at a strong pace, nearly 10.40% CAGR. In India alone, it's a Rs4 200 crore market and growing fast. The biggest trends? Ayurvedic ingredients, zero-waste packaging, waterless skincare, and plant-based actives. Do your research. Study your competitors like Forest Essentials, Mama Earth, and Juicy Chemistry. Understand their packaging, price points, and product formulations. But most importantly, find your unique angle. Marketing and sales strategy. Start with social media storytelling. Show your ingredients, behind the scenes, customer reviews. Collaborate with beauty influencers on Instagram and YouTube. Educate. Create skincare tutorials, routines, and ingredient spotlights. Sales channels to explore. D2C website like Shopify. Online marketplaces like Nykaa and Amazon. Boutique stores and salons. And even curated subscription boxes. Great marketing isn't about shouting, it's about connecting. Financial planning. Here's what your initial cost breakdown might look like. Product formulation and testing, Rs1, 5 to Rs2, 5 lakhs packaging and raw materials, Rs1 to Rs2 lakhs website plus e-commerce setup, Rs50, 000 to Rs1 lakh initial marketing, Rs1 to Rs3 lakhs inventory and legal licenses, Rs2 to Rs3 lakhs, total investment range. Rs7 to Rs12 lakhs. Be strategic. Start with a few SKUs and scale gradually. Funding and investment options. Funding your skincare startup doesn't have to be overwhelming. You can bootstrap using personal savings or family loans, apply for MSME or Startup India government schemes, approach angel investors focused on D2C or wellness, or launch a crowdfunding campaign with product pre-orders. Also consider joining incubators that support women-led or sustainable businesses. Profit margins. Let's talk numbers. If your product costs Rs 150 to make and sells at Rs 600, your gross margin is 60-75%. You could break even within 10-14 months, especially with strong D2C sales. Your best performing products? Face serums, natural oils, lip balms, and trial size kits. Legal incorporation and compliance. To operate legally, follow these steps. Register your business as a private limited, LLP, or proprietorship. Get GST and FSSAI licenses. Register your brand name and logo under trademark. Apply for Udyam MSME for benefits. Get lab reports and certifications for your formulations. This builds consumer trust and protects your brand. Supporting documents before you launch, prepare the essentials. ID and address proofs, company registration certificate, GST and FSSAI licenses, trademark documents, ingredient lists and safety reports, business plan and financial projections, marketing strategy documents. These documents are not just formalities, they're the backbone of your brand's credibility. Team assistance. Building a brand is tough, but you don't have to do it alone. At Market Research Universe MRU, we empower entrepreneurs like you with A. Our services, real-time market research and competitor intelligence, customer segmentation, go-to-market strategies, marketing campaign strategy, business plan, pitch decks and financial models, business registration, regulatory compliances and documentation. B. Our solution, MRU Navigator, India's and the world's most advanced real-time market research, strategy and business planning platform, and tool for startup founders, CXOs, directors, investors, and academic professionals. Whether you're validating a new idea or scaling an existing business, MRU Navigator empowers you with real-time market insights, industry trends, competitor analysis, and consumer intelligence. From crafting feasible business plans to creating investor-ready pitch decks, MRU Navigator transforms your vision into actionable, data-driven strategies, all in one intuitive platform. We don't just hand you data, we help you turn that data into decisions. So whether you're still formulating your first product or ready to pitch to investors, we're here to guide your journey toward becoming a powerful, purpose-driven skincare brand.
Every great success story begins with a vision. But what if you had a roadmap to turn that vision into reality? Introducing MRU Navigator for Business Planning, your go-to-market platform for startup business planning, real-time startup market trends, forecasts, competitors, opportunity, and business niche tracking. Imagine this. You're standing at the starting line of your business journey. What if you already knew where the hurdles were? What if you had a strategy before you even took your first step? That's exactly what MRU Navigator for Business Planning does. It gives you a clear, data-driven roadmap to navigate the startup world with confidence. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or a seasoned business owner, MRU Navigator gives you the power of foresight with business plan reports and templates, ready to use, professionally designed to fast-track your startup journey, real-time market trends, dashboard. Stay ahead of industry shifts and make informed decisions. Competitor and opportunity analysis. Identify gaps, analyze competition, and uncover hidden opportunities. Business niche tracking. Spot emerging trends before they explode into the mainstream. Your success isn't a matter of chance, it's a matter of the right plan. Let MRU Navigator for Business Planning be the launchpad to your entrepreneurial dream. Your startup's journey begins with the right plan. Start with MRU Navigator for Business Planning for real-time market trends, opportunities, and business niche tracking. So what are you waiting for? Sign up your free account today.